Old Trafford has stood as a beacon of footballing history for over a century, a fortress of dreams, passion, and unforgettable moments. This ground has been the stage for legends, from the Busby Babes to the treble-winning heroes. But as the world evolves, so too must the theatre of dreams. Manchester United introduced the future home of a state-of-the-art 100,000-seater stadium designed to redefine the matchday experience. You can check relevant photos via our link in the description. This visionary design features an umbrella canopy, ensuring every seat is sheltered, enhancing the atmosphere for fans like never before. Beyond the stadium, a new public plaza, twice the size of Trafalgar Square, will become a vibrant gathering space for supporters and the local community. While honoring a rich heritage, this new chapter signifies growth, ambition, and a commitment to excellence. This project isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about community. It's about inspiring the next generation. The regeneration will create thousands of jobs, new homes, and opportunities, breathing new life into Trafford. If you want to see our video tour inside Old Trafford, check the link in the description. We'd love to hear from you. Have you been there, or do you have a question? Please leave a comment. Creating these moments takes time and dedication. If our videos add a sprinkle of joy to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more.